Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new playlist on the MP3 downloader YouTube player application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is an ad that we can skip. And new, go to the playlist button next to the download option at the upper side of the screen, and here go to the new playlist button. Here you can write a playlist name, and if you finish, click to the OK button and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.